Hello, welcome back. My name is Infected1911 here. I'm going to show you how you fix your PS3. I already made one video like this, but still, pretty much just hold this down till you hear the final beep, which should turn this off. There you go. And then you just hold this down. And you should hear either a beep and then a beep beep. I can't remember how it's been. Okay, then beep beep. And then you let go. I gotta have a cord with a UBS on it. I might as well just use my broken controller. These Bluetooth all screwed up in it. So pretty much you hold your little PSN button down. You should get this screen. First, I'm gonna go to number 3, which is rebuild database. I'm gonna hit yes. Now this shouldn't take too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Set the camera down right here. Now you can do this on any PlayStation. Pretty much now you want to go over hit yes. And yes. And hit OK. This is pretty much how you do it. It doesn't really work for me because obviously my console still freezes up all the time. I still get the same message. You properly did not shut it off. Okay, then your PlayStation should have just now gotten done restarting. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wait here before I repeat this all again. But instead I'm gonna choose option 4. Okay, you'll see this. So just please wait for now. Okay, now. Pretty much that's all what it says. And hit OK. Well, first you have to click PS button again. I'm gonna wait for this to load up. Now, it should be restoring right now. So. Give it a couple seconds, it should reset and get back up. There we go. No, don't log on quite yet. This is what I prefer to do. I go right back over here, hold it down, and I just repeat the same step again. So your TV should go black. Then you just wait. It should kick right back on. Oh, I forgot you have to have it turned on. Then you hold it down. Okay, there's one. There's over there. There you go. There's one. And there's your double beat. Let's get back up here. I might as well just eject the disk and then put in Ghost. Okay. You're going to go ahead and repeat this last main stat. Okay, so right now I'm trying to connect. Okay, now I go to number 4, and then I hit yes. So I just went to number 3 and hit yes. So this is pretty much how you should stop your PS3 from freezing. If you want me to make a rather easier tutorial, and you must have your PS3 with a corded, both the cord plugging in or have a wired controller, or else this will not work. Okay, so go back over to your PS3, hit the PlayStation Start button, hit yes if you're using HDMI, hit no if you aren't, and then hit yes. And then your database storage will be rebuilt. It's rebuilding it right now. Your messages will be all deleted, so if you got some important messages, I suggest you go on to a different PlayStation, like your friend's PlayStation or something. If you have friends, which I don't, so hey, well, I have my YouTube friends, so yeah. But like the majority of them I've never met in real life, so. Okay. Wait, where's the squeaky floorboard? This is how you can be a dick to all your friends. Always look for a squeaky floorboard. That's how you be a dick to everyone. Just go right on the squeaky board and then just jump up and down really fast. Okay. You should have all this pop up once again. And then it should be completely rebuilt. Well, I'm going to end this video up here. My name is Infected1911, signing off. Peace.